So it's day 4, I think. Yeah, day 4. So I've just got to pack the tent away. Bike's pretty much loaded up. Just got to throw the tent on, and then I'm going to head down south. I'm going to head south down the coast today, as I've booked a camping pod for tonight. Check-in's at 3. It's a 3-hour cycle, and I've got 6 hours to get there for 3. So I'm going to check in at bang on 3 and leave at bang on 11 when I need to get out tomorrow, because it's got a heater, it's got electric, and it's got a pub on side. So sorted. So that's the plan for today. I think it's about 30 miles, I think, something like that. So maybe a bit further actually, but yeah, well, we'll get there. We'll get there bang on 3. So yeah, I'll see you on the road. We have shredded fruit. Got to the other end. Corn inside. Adders. I think you told me that before. I think I showed you. That was at the end of the trail where the adders were free. Yeah. I'll probably get a bit on that. Probably. Open for food. Oh, yeah. Hello. So just arrived about 20 minutes ago actually at the Harbour Lights campsite. That's about as much as I can see from here. Yeah, so I've got a pod for tonight rather than camping because I'm lucky at it, to be honest, because the grass there, which is where you'll be camping, is actually really boggy. I've just walked over there now. So yeah, I've got a pod for the night because the weather is just terrible, and to be honest, the second you stand out there you can just feel the wind hitting you. So yeah, I wouldn't want to be camping tonight, especially after the 32 miles, 35 miles I was on today. So yeah, I've saw this online and I've already started making a mess of it with all my gear thrown everywhere. It's got a plug socket so I can charge stuff up. It's got a heater. And yeah, and actually space to move around. So it's day 5. Yeah, day 5. Had a nice luxury. The only thing luxury about it was that it was warm and I couldn't actually stand up. It wasn't too bad. Just like sleeping on a park bench a bit really. Back was a bit stiff this morning. So just about to load up. Got everything packed away in here now. Just need to put everything on the bike, and then I'm heading to Grisdale today. I'm going to head to Grisdale campsite, see what they've got there. They've got some pods and that there, so I might test another one out. Apparently it's only £30 a night for a pod, so I might test one of them out again, see what they're like. And then tomorrow I'm going to be heading over Lake Windermere, and heading up back to Windermere through Bowness. So I'll probably stop off somewhere. So on my way to Grisdale now. As you can see, it's started to rain. Just a little bit. So it's Tuesday night, well Tuesday evening really, it's about 10 to 6. Just arrived at Grisdale, could not set a tent up in this weather. It's absolutely bouncing down. So I spoke to the guy here and just said, have you got anything, camping pods, yurts, dog kennel, anything? And he said yeah, he's got a pod available. So I'm currently in that. Just trying to sort out what to have for tea, because the pub is 10 minutes walk or 4 minutes on the bike. Won't be doing that. Everything's wet through from today because it's not stopped raining since left Harbour Lights campsite this morning. So yeah, I'll show you what's on the menu for tonight. So for tonight's menu, got 5-star luxury items.
that one is actually pretty good. I've had that one. Might go with that. Steak and veg. But I'll definitely be having one of them as well. So yeah, that's my menu tonight. As you can see, set up in the pod. And I don't know if you can actually hear the rain hitting the roof, but it's absolutely bouncing down. At the back there, just under the shelter, just about. So yeah, I might have a 3-course meal tonight. So I'm just packing up in the pod now. Not much really to pack up. It's currently 8:30, so we're gonna aim to get the ferry at 11. Get the ferry over, train back to Wigan at 1. So yeah, been a good trip. I've not really got many miles left. Bit of a sore back, but yeah, not got many miles left. About 8 miles, I think it is, to the ferry, and then about 4 or 5 miles home from the train station back to in Wigan. But yeah, no, so I've been travelling on the Roscoe 6 from Trek. Been a great bike, nothing up with it at all, but